Hello and welcome back to the Code Instinct. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you on how to create outline hover effects on a button, using HTML and CSS. Without any further ado, let's get started. In this project, I have created the main folder called My Project. Under the main folder, I have created one single blank HTML file called index.html and one single blank CSS file called style.css. Now, let's move on to our HTML file. Here, in the section, I have set title page and I named it as tutorial. I've already included the CSS file also in this section. For the font style, I'm using Roboto font style with size of 700. Click on the video at the top right corner, if you don't know how to import font using Google Fonts. Now let's continue to the body section. As usual, I'm going to add a div called main container. This div contains the sample text and a button that we will customize later on. Alright, we're done for the HTML part. Don't forget to save the project. As we can see, in the preview section, we already have the sample text and small button under the texts. However, we're still not finished yet. The buttons still do nothing when we put the cursor on top of it. We will customize the sample texts and the button right after this, in the CSS section. In the body section, set the margin and the padding to 0 and set the background color to darker blue. In the main container section, I'll set the width to just 70% and the padding left to 15%. Now, we'll customize the sample texts by set the font color to white and width to 100%. And then, set text align to center following with the font family of Roboto. Next, we're moving on the button part. I've set the width of the button just 50% of the main container size. Set the font color to white and I will add a little bit gap in each letter with letter spacing set to 6 pixels. Now, add some animation transition by set the transition duration to 0.4 seconds. And set the button solid border 15 pixel. The last one, we will set the hover condition to the button by setting up the background color to darker blue and the font color to white. Alright, now we have finished with CSS file. Save the project and let's see what we have done so far. There you go. Now we have our button working fine. As we put the cursor on the button, it will immediately change to outline style button smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and turn on notification for our latest updates. See you in the next videos.